Welcome back to the red carpet tonight with Gus Van Sant's film, Don't Worry, He Won't Get Far on Foot. This stars Jack Black, Jonah Hill, and Joaquin Phoenix. Let's check it out. So you were talking to him about kind of the respect you had for Joaquin. What did you kind of take away from your scenes with him?
I think as an actor, as an up-and-coming actor, you can't help but respect the amount of work and just effort that he has to put into doing every single take. He puts an equal amount of effort into the comedic scenes as he does into the dramatic scenes, and I just can't help but respect that dedication. And he's very method. He laid in the catatonic state for hours on end just so that when we shot the scene, he was in that place. And I just was very, very in admiration of that.
You know, I like mixing up the odd music with the kind of really loud, you know, heroic music. So it was really a nice kind of yin-yang to be doing Don't Worry, He Won't Get Far on Foot and Justice League back to back. They couldn't be more different. Well, yeah, I mean, it's interesting. I knew the drawings, but I didn't know anything about Callahan, so it was like learning about his life. And it did kind of kept things with the drawings a little bit lighter, because there was always such humor and lightness in his drawings. I did a lot of samples of a string bass. I brought in a string bass and did a lot of kind of odd sounds on it, and I used that for a lot of stuff. I don't know why, it was just random. And Gus encourages me to really mess around, and you know, I'll write him a cue, and then he'll go, "Oh, what other weird stuff do you have?" And I'll play him something else. He goes, "Oh, I like that. Let's do that." And so he's always like surprising me. He's real fun to work with.
You know, it's surreal. To be perfectly honest with you, we shot my scenes in March of 2017. Exactly, right? And now it is January of 2018. And just nothing but respect for Sundance. It's what it does for independent films, and just to be a part of this level of independent film is, I don't have words, but I have to speak, so I'm going to tell you what it feels like. It feels amazing, but I don't have words.
With such amazing talent and such interesting content, this looks to be an amazing film. Stay tuned, we'll have a lot more for you coming here on Park City Television.